Okay guys, this is going to be a quick video on how I use this Kontrol S3 Traktor to DJ in my bedroom, because I'm a bedroom DJ. A few things that I do when I first get a track is I break them up into pieces where I feel that I might use them. So you got obviously beginning beats there, maybe bassline loop here, first verse, second verse, could be an outro, could be a rhythm section, however you guys feel you would use. But that's the first thing I do when I get a track. I'll run through it and see what points that I would like, because sometimes you guys get a song and it's super long and there's a lot of stuff you may not like in the middle, and that's where the re-edit comes in. But the good thing about, you know, all this new technology is now you can mash it up and, you know, make your own joints and remixes on the fly. As far as pitching, sometimes I use this, but I'm not that good at keeping pitch. I mean, it takes a lot of time, but the thing that I know is it takes time away from your creativity and your timing. So I leave it on beat sync. So I might get executed for that, but I don't play out, so it is what it is. Another thing is I use the four EQ channels. On here it's 4: low, super low, mid high, high, and that actually allows you, if you turn down just a low one, that allows you to the vocals and everything to still have bass in the voice, so your remixes don't sound all tinty. And you know, another thing I like to use is a sweep filter. So if you see right here, I'm gonna hit play on this number 2 track. Oh shit, hold up. All right, I'm gonna hit play on this number 2 track, and you can hear it. This one, loop 2, I should say. So that's just the bass line, the low pass. Now go to loop 7, and that's what I want to use. I want to use that bass line. So here's the sweep action, but I'm just gonna use the bass line. So on track B, I'm gonna bring this in, and I'm gonna use these chords and more musical section on loop 5. So if you listen, I'll fade that in. Alright, so we got those 2 running. Now I got a little accent track, and I'm actually going to use this 3rd track, this one, the vocals on that. But for right now, I'm just going to use this loop 2 right here. Listen. So it just gives a little accent, little techie accent. So if I turn these down, listen. So I got the bass line here. I got the musical track here. Okay. Now on this track, I'm gonna start running the vocals. So I might jump to one of these loops. Let's say 5. We'll pick 5. I'll fade it in though. Bring it down a little. Then I'll jump over here to 5 on the 1. And so that's that loop. Now I can use the loop before it, or there's another loop after it. This one's good because it's acapella. So if I go forward on that one, or I can just hit 7. So that's a mashup right there. You're making your own joints on the fly, like some DJs I know. But this makes it really easy. I mean, it's busy. You're definitely going to be busy. And you you gotta pay attention. So now I'll go back to the little techie. And then I might want to switch up this B track to not so busy. Maybe I'll go to 6 here. So that's like, you know, you're starting to head out now. You want to come out of the track. Say you got something lined up on the next track, which is gonna be this one. And then bring it in. Maybe switch this over to 7. Maybe go back to this one, add some chords. Okay. Here you go.
Come on. Come on. Dance, man.
So, on this beat track, you go back to even 5, more musical.
Walk your walk. Dirty talk. Walk your walk. Dirty talk. Walk that walk. Dirty talk. Walk that walk.
Maybe go back to 6.
Walk that walk. Dirty talk. Walk your walk. Dirty talk.
7.
Walk your walk. Dirty talk. Walk that walk.
Fade this down.
Dirty talk. Walk that walk. Dirty talk. Walk that walk. Dirty talk.
Alright, so that acapella's done. Shut that down. And I'm gonna use this sweep right here. Watch this. Fade this down. On that 8 track, get out of the loop. Turn that loop off. And let it ride on in. And that's how I mash up. And that's, I know everybody's different, but
There is a question of my
there you go.
integrity.